Doing this. All right, are you ready? So whenever you're ready, we're going to ask her to canter. So think about a little bit of inside bend. That's it. Atta girl. Good. Good. And then you can go straight. Use your legs. That's okay. Just ask for a turn and ask her to canter again. Good. Okay, we're going to do it again, okay? So just keep that seat. Take a little turn, sit, and go. She's a little preoccupied with Vinny going up and down the highway there. No big deal. There you go. Atta girl. Sit, 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 sit. Good job. Whoops, gotta watch where you're going. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down the long side in a trot. And then we're gonna turn and come up through the trot pole, so you gotta use your corners. So let's circle once, because you're not going to have a very good approach from there. So don't go through the trot poles yet. Up. That's right. You got to make sure that you have a good approach so they have a fair chance of going through it correctly, okay? Good. So we're going to stay on the rail. That's it. Good, Mary Ellen. Stay on the rail. Think about your corner. Go between the cone and the rail. That's it. Now look ahead. Make your turn so you're lined up straight with the trot poles. And just, yep, hands stay low. Good job. Okay, let's walk. Atta girl. Give her a big pat. She's a good girl. Good for you.